Day 60 of posting consistently, and honestly, I'm proud of myself. When I started, I didn't know if I actually keep going. A lot of people talk about being consistent, but doing it every day is a different story. Some days it felt like easy, some days I had no ideas, and some days I really didn't feel like showing up. But I still posted, and I think that's what changed me the most. Month 1 was about building the habit. Month 2 was about building the confidence. I stopped putting so much pressure on every single video. I stopped overthinking everything, and I started trusting that every post, even the imperfect ones, was part of the process. Not every video did well. Not every post got views, but the biggest result wasn't on the screen. It was in me. I became more disciplined, more consistent, and more confident in putting myself out there. And now I'm 60 days in, and I'm determined to finish this 100-day daily Reels challenge. Because if these 60 days taught me anything, it's this: you do not need to feel ready to start. You just need to keep showing up. Day 60, still here, still posting. Follow me to see if I finish this 100-day daily Reels challenge.